Time is a lie. Your brain is tricking you into believing it flows linearly. What if your past, present, and future are all happening right now? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm your go-to guy for breaking down the wildest, most mind-melting cosmic questions. Today's topic is the biggest head-scratcher where physics meets philosophy. What if time is an illusion? What if past, present, and future coexist, and before-after is just brain's interpretation? Let's double down on that mind-bending question. What if past, present, and future coexist? Imagine now as eternal canvas, not fleeting moment. Have you felt time flow? Maybe you watched the sun rise, held a loved one's hand in their last breath, or waited for coffee. This river-like linear time experience feels undeniably real. But today, we are going to rip apart that understanding and show sequential thinking is just a child's game against the cosmos' true nature. From birth, we are conditioned to see time as one-way street. Sunrise a sunset, birth a death. Every daily part is anchored to this linear flow of existence. You wake up to check clocks to avoid being late, mark birthdays as time milestones, plan future vacations and reminisce past gatherings. Time perception is ingrained. This linear perception is baked into language. All have past, present, or future tenses, and culture. We live by calendars, once believing Newton's absolute time. What if time flow is a brain trick? Brains sort events into before-after to avoid overload, but this doesn't mean the universe follows the same rule. The block universe theory says all cosmic moments, Big Bang to heat death, exist simultaneously, like unbound book pages. Present is just the viewed page. The Wheeler-DeWitt equation, key to quantum gravity, has no time variable. Physicists argue time is emergent, not fundamental, from particle interactions. Einstein called quantum entanglement spooky action at a distance. Entangled particles sync instantly across any distance, breaking linear cause and effect. If all moments exist simultaneously, cause and effect collapses. Dropping and shattering a glass happen at once. The sequence is just brain's organization. Theorists say gravity doesn't travel through space-time. It's a space-time block feature shaping reality instantly. Electromagnetism is timeless permanent connection. If consciousness isn't locked to linear time, it may access the eternal now. This explains precognition and synchronicity as glimpses of the block universe's future pages. These phenomena are not time travel or magic. They are glimpses beyond the linear illusion where consciousness connects to unperceivable parts of the cosmic tapestry. We should know many once impossible cosmic things, quantum tunneling, black holes, dark matter, are now established facts. The time illusion theory may be the same. In a timeless universe, a 10,000-year-old supernova and spilled coffee exist in the same now. Life's origin and future AI are threads in the cosmic tapestry, and space-time distance is an illusion. This also forces us to confront the problem of free will and determinism. If all events are fixed, is free will also an illusion? Some philosophers argue free will in a timeless universe is embracing present choices. Your decision to click this video is a permanent part of the cosmic drama. A timeless perspective sees the universe as one complex interconnected event, not a series. Big Bang isn't a start and heat death isn't an end. Both are parts of the eternal tapestry. In a timeless universe, life and death aren't starts or ends. Life is permanent in the block. Lost loved ones aren't gone but just on another page of the cosmic book. Death isn't a disappearance. It is just the end of your brain's ability to perceive the sequential flow of time. Grief is real, but we can connect with loved ones via memories. We rush toward the future, but the eternal now holds meaning. Slowing down to savor rain scent and a child's laugh is the greatest gift we can give ourselves. The greatest cosmic adventure isn't time travel. It is perceiving the eternal now, breaking temporal shackles and finding deep meaning in the interconnected present. I know this is a lot to take in, so drop a comment below with your thoughts. Do you think time is an illusion? Have you ever questioned linear time? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the cosmos.